Cruise ships jobs are one of the most underrated jobs, yet very well paying and very self-fulfilling jobs in the world. The beauty of working for a cruise ship company is that you get to really travel the world and experience different cultures and different countries when you're also interacting with the tourists that are residing on the cruise ship. It is quite an adventure that I feel and I get to know that a lot of people, a lot of Africans, a lot of Asians, a lot of foreign workers are enjoying, because we are looking for opportunities from all over the world. And the beauty of working in the cruise ship industry is that could be a starting point for you to achieve very great things and settle in the best countries you can think in this world. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters, relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment if you have any, and subscribe down below. Please do remember, any information I share on my YouTube channel or on my videos is always linked down below on the description box. In today's specific video, I want us to focus on cruise ship companies, international multinational companies that are currently hiring in thousands, and this is because this is the time for companies to recruit for next year. So definitely summer has started, the cruise ships are now sailing, so it might not be very possible for you right now to be able to board cruise ship jobs or to get on board, but this is the time that most of the companies are hiring, because you're going to undergo training, and come next year you're going to enjoy all the good things in life. You undergo intensive training and are working for these companies. Once they recruit you, most of these companies, if not all, will not ask for any money from you. I am going to be sharing some of these companies with you, and I want you to do the needful. Most of the time I get questions of, how can I apply? I am interested. And the only way you can help yourself is, once I share this information with you, go to this company's website, look for jobs that are available. They are both unskilled and skilled jobs, ranging from baristas, chefs, cleaners, and whatnot, because cruise ships carry thousands. That is from anywhere between 1,000 to 8,000 occupants or tourists. So that means they need workers to do all the kind of work, from chefs, from cooks, from cleaners, from baristas, and you can name the list. It's as long as it gets. The beauty of cruise ship jobs is that the possibilities are endless. Most of the time, experience is not needed. It's not a must for you to have worked in a cruise ship before. And I want you to watch this video till the end, because you're going to get a lot of insights on the kind of jobs that are available in these companies that I'm going to share with you. My goal is always to empower you with information, to ensure you have the right tools, that is the information, the paperwork you need, the companies you can talk to, or the recruitment agencies you need to talk to. And remember, I have said these companies, these recruitment agencies do not ask you as a job seeker, as an overseas worker, for any amount of money. The employer or the cruise ship company is the one that is going to give them an incentive, or to pay them once they recruit you as a job seeker. Let us see what is available, and please do remember to like and share. That way you help me grow this community. The first website that we are going to look at is All Cruise Ship Jobs. So this website is mostly a website that is known for the global cruise ship jobs board abroad, and you'll find the jobs that are currently available. And for example, at this time there is 1,439 cruise ships available, or cruise ship jobs. And when you scroll down, you're going to see the number of jobs that are available by categories. Those are unskilled jobs, ranging from housekeeping jobs 92, galley jobs 268, restaurant jobs, beverage, provisions, deck, engine, technical, guest service, retail, spa, and beauty jobs, childcare, entertainment, and there's quite a lot. So this is why I'm saying you need to be very good when you are looking for this job. Featured companies, this means These are all the cruise ship companies that post jobs on this website, including MSC, Viking, and Princess, and the Royal Caribbean. These are the, and Norwegian. These are the top, or those are the very top. Actually, generally, these are the top known cruise ship companies in the world. I want us to look at maybe, for example, if you look at housekeeping, how many jobs are available, okay? Because I want you to have an insight of what you're looking at. So, housekeeping jobs include a position within the hotel department on cruise ship jobs. So, when you click select position, executive housekeeper, assistant housekeeper, cabin stewardess, hotel utility cleaner, laundry staff, decor pool attendant, bell person, tailor, florist, and whatnot. If you look, for example, at assistant housekeeper, you'll then get all the jobs that are available on this particular website. And they're stating you earn between $20 to $100 per review. There's also another data entry per hour housekeeper jobs and housekeeping stewardess needed for a private yacht in Middle East, housekeeping again, housekeeper. And remember, these are different companies. If you want to click and know how to apply, you just click there, and it will take you maybe to where, because it is some of these links are sponsored, it will take you to where, or the website that you'll get all these jobs. That is the first website that you are going to get cruise jobs anywhere you're looking in the world. Another one is Princess. Princess is one of the best cruise ships companies in the world. If you want to know how Princess is big, I'll want you to check their rating and to check a lot of reviews, because they have a lot of reviews on Google. So Princess is a company. So this means this is the official website, how to apply for cruise ship jobs. And they have given a disclaimer of beware fraudulent cruise employment opportunities. It is very good to go through that. Authorized partners, please contact the recruitment agency that is closest to your permanent residency. This is very, 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 very crucial for me to explain, because there are different agencies or agents that are given jobs by Princess or these cruise ship companies to outsource. So I want us to look at international recruitment partners. For Africa, residents of Africa is Kauzon. If you're in Kenya, Kauzon is in Ngong Road, if I'm not wrong. I think they will change their offices, but the last time I checked, they were there. But that is mostly in Kenya, but they reside, or rather they recruit everywhere in Africa. So the company is called Kauzon or Kauzon. It's very well known. I know of it. I know people who are in the cruise ship industry, and Kauzon recruited them. Even the Caribbean, the Seven Seas Group and Mampa is doing that. Residents of the Caribbean, South and Central America also, China, Colombia, Eastern Europe, Western Europe, UK, Canada, United States, and Europe, and Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Japan, Middle East, all the jobs are there. So for example, if you're in Africa, residents of Africa, you click apply now, and you'll get all the jobs that are available. Global Talent Partner, GTP opportunities. At Holland America Group, we work with trusted GTPs who will help us find the world's best candidates. See below for job openings offered in Africa by Kauzon. You click find the jobs, and you'll find all the jobs that are available. All the jobs that are available. All the jobs. You can see chef, buffet steward, chef de partie, another one, chef de pastry, pizza, party pastry. And for example, these are the only jobs that are here. You'll find most of the jobs are fixed term contract, and that is because cruise ship jobs, mostly they're 8 months contract. So you work for 8 months, you go home and relax for 4 months, and then they renew your contract again, like that. So that is a very good company that I also want you to look at. I'm going to leave both of the links on the description box. If this video gets good views, I'm going to add more companies in another video. Until next time, be safe, keep safe, and bye. See ya.